Hi guys, welcome on Crypto Mercy. Hope everyone is well. I'm just back for a quick video, like always. Last time I said that video was 1 hour and a half, I think so. Welcome everyone. Mr. Benjamin Minsu, the CEO of Elrond, just announced yesterday that the new Maiar exchange, and I don't know if you read about this, but I invite you to come on the Elrond blog, and so you will have the link for the Maiar exchange. 8 days. We'll have the launch in 8 days. But one thing's to know, if you hold Egold, you're gonna get some MEX, which will be the official token of the exchange, and you will be eligible for to get an airdrop if you hold. Claim your MEX token by holding Egold. This is really cool for everyone. Enjoy. Just go read that. First, I would like to say that I'm always posting those information here. If you want to help the channel and help me, and you like my videos, you can download the Maiar wallet from here. This is my referral link. Thanks for helping. Also, if you guys want to give some tips, or it's my Egold address right there, my website, and you can reach me by email anytime. Let's go over this first. Today, what I want to talk about to you is that this possibility that the Egold reaching higher than the this first cycle wave 1, and this is pretty important, because if we are making a new ATH, this open doors for us to a third wave, which I think we are in right now. But it's possible that we're not gonna make a new ATH, but it will surprise me if we don't. Right now, still pretty bullish, even short-term, mid-term, and long-term for Elrond. But in crypto, everything can change very fast. Anyway, this blue wave here is our first cycle top, first wave. And don't know if you remember, but we retraced this wick to 65.60. I hope everyone had buy orders right there. The Elrond was cheap, huh? No, but usually we call that a Takuri candle, because everything is it's like a well dump from here, or a big wallet, and his order was already waiting on the support right there. But probably many orders were waiting right there on the support. But anyway, just to show you right now, yesterday I talked about Elrond, and I told you that we absolutely need to break the 0.85 of Fibonacci. What we did, we break that resistance, and now still try to rise over this ascending channel. Which are we gonna come to confirm the support? I think we already did a little bit right here. Is it enough, or we're gonna come back and try to really confirm the roof of the ascending channel as a new support? But let's take this out for now anyway. This is the main wave in yellow, but anyway, we'll come back on this later. Just want to show you, because everyone know that everyone know. If you don't know, take your extension Fibo, place it on the bottom of the lowest point on your chart. After this, the highest point, and on the bottom of wave 2. And this will, you make a click here, and a click here. It's you do like this, click, and last click here. There we go. And this will give you the extension Fibo for wave 3. Already did this, it's the same, but I already did this here. I placed it a little bit on the side because it's beginning to have a lot of stuff right there. But anyway, just want to show you that those important extension fib, which are the 161.8 at 406, the 261.8 at 617, and we have this one right up there at 828. Yeah, this is, but let's do it again just to be sure that I made it correctly, and this will give you the opportunity to see how you must to do that. Okay, let's find your lowest point right here. Okay, right there. Okay, this means this will be the real bottom. You can log this line. This is now I'm gonna take my extension. I'm gonna log this right there. I'm gonna move on the top of one. This is probably gonna be hard to grab from here, but here we go. And the bottom of 2 right here. Okay, this is now in yellow. I'm gonna put this in blue to be able to see that we are talking about this blue wave right here. 406, 617, whoops, I'm gonna lock it to 617 and 828. Okay, those are the most probable target for this wave 3 here. If we are making a new I and a new ATH and we confirm support over it, which can happen very soon or never. No, I'm joking. I'm just gonna take this out because I don't want to lose you with all those stuff. This way we can, just focus on this possible new cycle wave there. Let's bring it there. All right. Lock it again. Okay. Let's see. You will surprise me if the third wave stopped here, just because usually wave 3 are longer than wave 1 and 5, but it's not enough here. It's not so realistic for me. I'm following many charts for many years, and those kind of things will happen on minor wave, but on cycle wave, you're never going to see that. And even on cycle wave for that with assets that have tremendous fundamentals and that are in demand a lot and rare, it's the case for the Eagle, you will never see those kind of things. And usually we have to go on the logarithmic chart and try to find the 161.8. But now we'll play this game realistic. We'll make a probable projection for this wave 3 right here. We're gonna make this one and this one. I'm gonna make it with you today. I hope you guys like this, and just smash the like, and just click on the ring on the bell if you want to be noticed when I'm live. Sorry, sometimes I make some errors. Life is not always easy, but anyway, I'm who I am, and I'm not the best communicator in English, but I try to do my best, and that's the most important. Try to do your best. All right, let's do that. Okay. After here, for sure, usually you're gonna get some indication. You know, this main wave here in yellow should indicate us slowly where our probable target for this. And this is giving us the chance to figure out, you know, next target. And you can swing with this. You know, it's a great tool to swing, but you need to swing by placing like 2-3 orders on different Fibonacci. And it's the same when you get a retracement. You need to play the most probable target on your Fibonacci. This is what we are gonna do together today. You take your Fibo from the Fib retracement right there, this tool, and you go right on the line there, but we're gonna be sure that we are on the same amount, and you go on the bottom of wave 2 right here. Okay, I'm gonna reverse this. Okay, when you retrace, you're always gonna see your Fib 0 up there on top, and the golden Fib a little bit lower. You know, it's going down 0.236, 0.3, 0.382, 0.5, golden pocket right there. Okay, here you have to put the same price target. I mean, here it's 117. Whoops, sorry, 617. 617.993. Whoops. 617.993. There we go. And the bottom, we are at 65.60. Okay. This will give us, let's forget about this one right now. We don't need that. We are we try to figure out, because this impulsive in every time frame the Egold is bullish right now. And it's why I'm doing this today, because there's a probability that we're going to make a new ATH very soon, and to confirm this new cycle wave 3. A lot of people may think this is a wave 4, but like I told you, this is not a wave 4 for me, not at all, because we retrace to create a wave 2 on the golden Fib. It was a very strong retracement at 65.60. Okay, right here, you need to know this important thing. This is statistic that were that were reported since the a while ago, and usually when you play with Elliott waves and you learn Elliott waves, you know that wave 4 are always, but usually longer retracement. You have ABCDE, you have a ABC sometimes, but you can have WXY. There's many long pattern that you can experiment for retracement. But usually when your wave 2 is very strong retracement, you can have this kind of very light retracement for wave 4 and very quick too. It depends, you know. But usually wave 4 are there to take a break and refresh a little bit, because wave 4 will always push RSI on top, and we need to refresh this RSI to give us some momentum and a swing for the last wave 5. Because in the 5 impulsive, you always have the first wave that is going up, the third wave that is going up, and the fifth wave. You have 2 retracement. You have wave 2 and wave 4, 2 waves of retracement. Here, usually 60% of a wave 4 retracement will do in between 0.382 and 0.5. Those are the 2 most probable targets, or sometimes it's going in between. It's going right on the Fib, okay? But no, sorry, 60% of retracement are happening in between 0.3 and 0.5. 60%. And 15% will be in between 0.5 and the golden pocket. Which means if you try to catch entries on a wave 4, you're always going to put more your liquidity in between those lines, especially because it's where it's gonna go. You just put your entries on every fib if you want, or you can try to doing this sometimes. I try to find a moving average and moving average up there, and try to find which moving average can give a big support there. And sometimes you will, if you see that the moving average is here, but you're gonna try to put liquidity up there, and even if you put some liquidity right on the moving average, if you see that there's a Fibo right under, you can put liquidity on the Fibo directly, because for sure you're gonna have a wick that is gonna try to catch all the liquidity that is on the fib and is waiting on buy orders. I mean. And you have this golden fib that is the usually on wave 2. This is the place on a second wave retracement. This is the place where usually at least assets are or stocks are retracing. Sometimes they retrace lower, but I mean, for sure you will find liquidity up there. Even on wave 4, even if 50% of all the retracement are happening between this line and this line, 15%, and 60% in between 0.3, 60% in between 0.3 and 0.5, like this. This wave 2 here was on the golden fib, which means it was a strong retracement for a wave 2. This is why right now I will go with the most probable retracement probabilities, and I'm gonna place my Fibo here in between, right on the most probable retracement. And we're gonna try to figure out where the wave 5 can go. You take the bottom of where you place your Fibo on the bottom of wave 2, and you will bring it. Sorry, this is not an extension Fibo right there. Okay, everything is in place. All right, lock this. Okay, you're gonna take this extension Fibo that we placed before. Gonna unlock it, and you exactly gonna place it right on the retracement. I told that retracement will maybe happen up there. Anyway, yeah, it's just average target. Where it's much too we're much too early to do this, but it's fun because if we have this confirmation, we already have some information for wave 2, and it's really probable that we're gonna make a new ATH soon for the Eagle. And I just want to prepare you for that, because it can go pretty fast on a cycle impulsive tree. Okay. Right now, most probable target for this wave 4 will be this right there. And like I told you, 100% are happening, but in that case right now, if it happens, we'll not make a new ATH, and I'm not suggesting those kind of targets, because they're usually not happening. A truncated happens sometimes. We call this a truncated wave when we're not able to make a new high, but this is on wave 5. Usually it's happening on wave 5 because the momentum is not it's momentum on the wave 3 is always stronger than a wave 5. Here you're starting to lose some momentum because experts know and whales that are employing technical analysis know that wave 5, after wave 5 we have a wave 2, a big retracement, and usually this wave is losing momentum and power, and usually always, not always, but sometimes, it's in average you will see a wave 5 at the same length that a wave 1. All right. We have 714, and sometimes we see wave 5 going to the 261. But in that case, it will not be my preference because, it's a probability, because a lot of wave 5 are longer than wave 1. And the wave 5 is not longer than wave 3, which I like now. Those are my two preference target for this wave 5 right there. I'm gonna put this 925 and 714 exactly. Let's do now the stronger wave 3. Let's do that together. Let's replace the extension at a good place. Just gonna try to figure out if I'm on spot. Yeah. Okay. Just gonna double check to be sure. Yeah. All right. Okay. The other probability that I told you is the 361 for this wave 2 at $824. And let's take the fib retracement from there. And let's retrace on the bottom. Okay, 824. 824.26.2, and we have to be sure that we are at 65.60 right up there on the bottom. Okay, now we have our retracement fibs that are correctly positioned, and like I said, most probable 60% of retracement will on the wave 4 will happen between 0.3 and 0.5, and only 15% in between 0.5 and the golden fib. 15. I'm gonna put this in yellow. Okay. Okay. For now, let's do let's do the most bullish scenario with less retracement. This will give us an idea. It's okay to make those scenarios because those scenarios can happen. If buy orders are pretty strong here and everyone is buying around $600, it can happen. Okay, now bring this extension Fibo right at $596, $596.663. All right. and let's evaluate the most probable target. Like I said, 100, same stuff here. We're not able to make a new high. This is not my favorite. 935 and 1145 are the most probable target for this wave 5 if, you know, we are reaching this new cycle, wave 3, around $824. Whoops, sorry. Yes. No, I was good. I was okay. Okay, 261 and 161. Top target for wave 5. Let's see. You know, okay. 1,145, $935. Possible target for Elrond on this new cycle, wave 3, if we are breaking new ATH, which is very cool. It's like 4x from here. 4x from here. And wow, it's almost 5x in around those prices. Right. I want to show you Bitcoin because I created this for you yesterday. I was a little bit surprised by this because on the monthly chart, I found that everything is so perfectly aligned with halvings and bars and like after the end of the bull run in 2013, we had 396 days of a bear market after the end of the bear market. And after this, you know, we had this accumulation period and we started to rise. And we had the second halving right in the middle. We had the third halving almost in the middle, just a little bit before. But just want to show you that the bear market usually, the bear market that happens from the 1st December 2017 to the 1st of January 2009 was the same length. And which give me, I mean, historically, might not always an indication, but now it's pretty on target all the time. And here, I'm you know, I'm not saying that this will happen and that the bull market will end the 1st of December 2021. But if we are following the last bull market, I think that it's probable that we can the bull market can end around those dates. It can end before, but anyway, this is an approximation. And like I said, for now, Bitcoin is kind of making a double top right here, which is, if it confirms in 20 days, this, we should have a bigger retracement that we are seeing now. But yesterday night, I just checked, and it was almost over it, and it was not making a double top. And it has Bitcoin has a lot of time to push the price higher. But now what we are seeing is that a lot of liquidity are going in on the altcoins, which create a micro alt season. And this is really cool. I mean, for people that wants to make money on altcoins now, it's a great moment to do that. That's it. This is what I want to show you. Was surprised when I checked this, and not saying that this will happen exactly like this. We can have this kind of retracement too for Bitcoin will need to refresh. And we saw this, in the last bull market. Bitcoin's refresh here. I'm gonna tell you after this double top here on the monthly, he almost retraced. Let's see. 40% retracement. And 40 retracement, 40% retracement from here will give us target around $36,000. For sure, you will have some support around here, around 45,000, because we spend some times up there. But it's a probability that we must be prepare for that, because there's always going to have some retracement. Bitcoin is not going to pump all the time and without stopping and refreshing. Because let's take a look at the RSI right now. Woof. You see the RSI on the monthlies at 90. It's over a bot like crazy. And it might gonna refresh a little bit. There's some room to go higher with the RSI, but it's normal that we are taking a break right now. And when the RSI is taking a break like this, it's good for the altcoin. Very good. It's a great opportunity for and anyway, like everyone know, there's a lot of big, very nice project right now. NFT synthetic project. Elrond is one of the best for, I think, and it's why I'm spending some time on it, because I like the project and I'm following this project very closely. Okay, that's it. I think leave me a comment, guys. Ask me any question if you would like on the comment below. Smash the likes. Ring the bell if you want to get noticed when I'm live. I'll try to give you update in every 2-3 days, or maybe sometimes every day. It depends if I have sometimes. And like I said, give me your suggestion if you're interested in one asset. I can give you a technical perspective for this asset and give you some possible targets or resistance and support. The big things here, it's not always perfect, but if you are able to find resistance and support, find the biggest resistance and the biggest support. If you have the moving average 21 or the moving average 50, and they're right on the fib, I mean, for sure you're gonna get a lot of liquidity up there, and that's a very nice buying zone, and you can put stop limit orders right there, or limit orders right on that point. It is why it's always important to follow moving average, because moving average are can be resistance or dynamic support, and they are pretty important. We can see right now, right there on your right, we have the moving average 7 that is at 183, moving average 9 at 179, moving average 21 at 156, and moving average 50 at 144. Those are, you see all the support that those moving average gave us right there. And this is very good too. And like I told to a lot of people, when you have the moving average 7 that is crossing the moving average 9, the moving average 7 is in yellow, crossing bullish cross right there, it's always a great place to enter. I mean, it can be a fake out, like here. But when you see that the moving average 7 is starting to turn and is struggling a little bit and is coming closer to moving average 9, just exit. That's a swing trading method that you can use and try. You can use the VWAP to and be a lot of things are important to figure out if the support is under us or over us. The EMA ribbon, like I told you yesterday, EMA ribbons are exponential moving average, and they're moving faster, but they have much more noise. But moving the EMA ribbons are the moving average, the exponential moving average, working together as dynamic support or dynamic resistance. And you can see when you have a compression of the EMA ribbon, this is helping a lot for a bounce. Especially here, they were mixed with the moving average, and moving average are slower, but they're gonna give you much less noise. If you spot moving average on the weekly chart, which are just starting to appear right now because Elrond is pretty new, you can see that we have very strong support around 151, 152, and it's still moving up, and this was a very good thing that Elrond took his time right here. Even a lot of people quit. I know that we lost Bebak. I hope you are hearing me, Bebak. I told you when you left the Eagle a couple of days, I told you it might not be the best move. They're playing with your mental, and you have to be patient because the Eagle is rare, and Eagle is really Elrond is now some project, one of the best project with one of the best platform on this on cryptocurrency. You must understand that it's also Elrond can manage 70,000 transactions per second, and the platform can easily take 15,000 transactions seconds. And to compare with the Ethereum that can manage only 15 transactions second, or Bitcoin that can manage only like 7 transactions seconds. This is, some of a project, and it's just beginning. It's just the beginning, and you must understand that more you hold, and if you're not stressed about the Eagle. And for sure, when you have a confirmation that the Bitcoin is in a bear market, you can take some profit. But this is one of the top crypto to hold long term, and you're gonna be able to do everything in Maiar, swap, lend. You're gonna be able to buy NFTs. You're gonna be able to buy Ethereum, Binance Coin, swap every coin you want with DeFi 2.0. Wow, it's amazing. I download. I was one of the day the Maiar wallet was available. I downloaded it and I was really impressed. It's pretty clean, and now with the possibility to stake. With all the validators up there being available for you, and it's you're not seeing this on. I have, I think, more than 25 wallets in my phone, and this is the best by far. But that's it, guys. I told you that this will be short today. I hope it was fun. And just want to repeat it to you right there. I have a special edition for, this is my NFTs. Sorry. I have a special edition Kusama t-shirt. if you guys are interesting, but there not gonna be a lot of it. Only 50 t-shirt will be available. We're gonna ship June 29. Already received some orders. If you like the Kusama is another very good project with a lot of potential, and another project to keep long term, because one day will be much more than $1,000. I'm telling you, this project, there's only around 8 millions of KSM, and they're pretty rare. And anyway, might gonna come back to make it technical on it, but hope you like, guys. Take care. Thanks for being on my channel. I really appreciate your comments, everything, and wish you the best of the best today. Have a great weekend.